I joined the community with Frida over 2 years ago now, and it's been the best possible move that I could have made for my tinnitus and habituation, and not only my tinnitus, but also my personal well-being, because just focusing on the ACT program, acceptance, commitment, therapy, and accepting that has made my, I guess, battle with tinnitus so much easier, and it's no longer a battle. And just the support of the members in the community and knowing that you're not alone on this journey has been honestly life-changing. So I definitely recommend anyone who is struggling with tinnitus to join the community, to join some calls with Frieder because he's just an amazing support and it's an amazing support system. So highly recommend. It's definitely changed my life for the better, even with tinnitus.